Okay, so we're putting a fence in out in Okeechobee, and we needed a fence puller. Went to Tractor Supply. They had one that was a clamp fence puller that you had to clamp in every time and release it every time. Kind of a pain in the butt, and it was $55. I was kind of looking for maybe a 3 or 5 hook puller for about $25. So instead I picked up these for $2. I think this was $4, $12 for this. So all in, I got maybe $25 in the whole thing. This is going to be our fence puller out there. Going to set it up pretty quick and show you how we do it. I was going to use an angle line, but then I figured I'd have to drill it myself. This is already pre-drilled. I'm not putting that much stress on it anyway. If I put too much stress, the fence itself will break. This is for a wire fence, by the way. For this one here, it's not drilled big enough, so all you got to do is get a drill a little bit smaller, kind of bore it out a little bit. Yeah. And this is why I went with this instead of the angle line. I didn't feel like drilling it. Kind of lazy. Also, we're going to use what I'd call a come along to pull it. Some people call it a wire puller. But one of those is about, the last one I had I gave to my brother. He never got it back to me. So we ended up getting one of these from a tow strap. I'm going to use this. And that's going to fit right in here. And the fence will be on the other end. So once it's hooked up on the fence, let's go out there and see what that looks like. Alright, so I made the fence puller, but I almost forgot to make a video of it in use. So instead of a come along, I just got a tie down strap from a motorcycle. And that's what I'm using to crank it out. If you look back, you can see it's fairly straight. Look down the line over there, except that big fat dog. Other than that, it looks alright. So we'll start tacking it on, and that's it. Fence puller worked pretty good for $25.